Hey there, everybody. This is Eric from Outer Limitless.
And it's Carlos from Daily Carry Solutions.
We're here in Atlanta today to cover Blade 2019.
Now there is a lot of material to cover between June 7th and June 9th. These 3 days have a lot coming, so stay tuned.
You're gonna like it.
It's been good, man.
What's up, guys? It's Carlos from Daily Carry Solutions, and I'm also here live with Eric from Outer Limitless and a special buddy of mine at the GiantMouse Knives booth. It's Jens Ansø from Denmark.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Oh man, it's a pleasure to see you here. I'm a big fan of GiantMouse, and as well as all of your other designs from other designers. Now here at the booth, I know that you guys are showing off some exclusives for Blade Show, and you have some really nice other stuff that people may not be able to see otherwise. So let's go ahead and put it on camera.
Yeah, of course. Well, the main things that we've been showing here are the two versions of the Biblio in titanium. What we wanted to do is create a homage to the GM1, which was the founding design for our company. So the Biblio was obviously based on the GM1, but we wanted to try and follow some of the language with the materials on it, and I think we succeeded really well with it. The feedback during the show has been tremendously good, so this is something that we want to keep working with for sure. So we have the two versions here, which is the regular titanium and the PVD coated blade and titanium that's been tumbled. Again, as a homage to the original GM1s and GMP1.
Well, it's nice. I'm a big fan of the Ace Biblio line. I actually have mine in green canvas micarta. You don't know how hard it took for me, how long it took for me to get this knife, because they come in it just limited drops and people pounce on them, like cats on mice, I guess you could say, So I noticed that there are two different styles. I guess one would go with basically the GM series, and the other one is more for the Pirate series.
Yeah. Okay. So the 300 is, so the GiantMouse line is always put together with 300 of one variation, 100 of another variation. So we have the 25% Pirates, which is always a little upgrade somehow. In this case, it's a PVD coating. And of course, being only 100 knives produced, it's really limited, and they get snagged like this. The Ace line was our way to actually put out knives to all our fans who don't get lucky in the first 5 minutes or 3 minutes or whatever it takes to sell the GM line, which is, we're so thankful for all the support we get from you guys, and we feel so fortunate to have been able to create this company where you guys are just showing us so much love, and we really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. So our Ace line is our way to actually supply knives on a regular basis. So why we will make sprint runs and limited editions. This is our way to actually put knives in people's hands, and not just in safes and on mantelpiece. Let me see your Biblio.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Here you are, sir.
So, the green micarta Biblio is my personal favorite of them all. This is the knife that I carry more than anything else. This one obviously has been carried quite a bit. I love how the micarta patinas. This is something that just keeps evolving over time, and I love that in a knife. And for me, this is the perfect EDC knife. I would choose this over any other knife at this moment.
I agree. When I got that knife, the first words that popped into my head when I got that knife was game over. I mean, you know, we spend our lives trying to find the tool that works best for us. And when I picked up that knife, it was, I mean, that's all that could come into my mind was, you know, game over. I really appreciated that design. And like I said, it was a labor of love trying to find it because they're so popular. Not only the micarta but the G10 version, but after feeling the micarta that was on, you know, the handles and just feeling the ergonomics, and once it fit my hand, I just kind of felt like that was the knife. And I'm really glad to hear that it's your favorite.
Well, it is, at least so far it is. I can tell you that we have lots of cool projects in the pipelines. You will love what we have coming.
Okay.
Can't really share much at this point, but we've already been teasing about the Clyde.
Yeah, I see he's fashionably late to Blade Show.
He is. He's kind of the cranky uncle, but you still love him. And I have a feeling that it will be a strong second, maybe even fighting the first place for the Biblio in my pocket. But and I have a strong feeling that a lot of you guys will feel the same. So game over, yes, until next project.
Question mark. Game over. Yeah. I understand. Okay.
But that is just one of the new projects we have coming, and we have some really gems coming in the pipeline. We can't share any light on it yet, but we are super excited about it.
I have to ask you to do this. Is it possible that you'd be able to give a shout out to the Shank Sharpeners Union on our behalf? They were really happy to hear that we were headed over to Blade Show. They were happy to hear that you were going to be here. And please, if you could just go ahead and give them a shout out.
Shank Sharpeners Union, you guys are rocking it. Rock on. All the support you give us, all the pictures you take and share on social medias, that's what's making this project fun for us. We really appreciate all your support, and just keep it coming, and we will promise you that we will take care of you with all possible means. We love you guys. Thanks.
I mean, there you have it, guys. Straight from Jens Ansø himself. This has been an awesome Blade Show. I feel like this is actually the pinnacle of any of the videos that I've shot here. I mean, he's holding my Biblio, and he said that that is his favorite. Well, maybe at least for now. But until then, thank you so much for taking a moment to speak to us.
Thank you.
I hope to see you, I hope to see Clyde soon. Maybe,
oh yeah, we hope so as well.
Great. Thank you so much, Jens.
Thanks, man. Thanks, guys.